Hello, I'm Morgan. Welcome to the Plangere Center for Communication and Instructional Technology at Monmouth University. Known around campus simply as Plangere, this academic building is a hands-on center for all things media and communication. Built to foster creativity and innovation, this cutting-edge facility houses state-of-the-art production. From television broadcasts in the Monty Television Studio to radio shows on WMCX-FM and the award-winning journalism in the Outlook newsroom, every corner of Plangere offers practical learning experience alongside industry veterans using professional-grade equipment. Our Mac Labs, interactive digital media spaces, and virtual reality equipment provide the tools necessary to craft compelling content across various media platforms. Whether you're into filming, writing, or content creation, Plangere offers the resources to turn your passion into a professional portfolio. Step into the Monty Television Studio on the ground floor and join Hawk TV, where students explore the art of television production, from filming and directing to audio engineering and set design. Broadcast your vision across campus and beyond, showcasing your talent and creativity. On the second floor, WMCX-FM invites you to take the mic and share your voice with the community. With a diverse range of programming, from music to sports and talk shows, your passion finds its audience over a 35-mile radius. Also on the second floor, the Outlook newsroom prepares future journalists. Here, breaking news and feature stories come to life under the guidance of experienced faculty each week. Plangere is home to the Academic Department of Communication, through which students delve into the realms of journalism, public relations, and digital media, preparing for careers in an ever-evolving media landscape. Also in Plangere is the Department of World Languages and Cultures, which opens doors to global understanding through language study and interdisciplinary courses. Explore languages such as Spanish, Arabic, and Chinese, gaining insights into diverse cultures and preparing for a globalized world. Thank you for joining me on the tour of the Jules L. Plangere Jr. Center for Communication and Instructional Technology.